Hi, I am Sandipan Naskar, a final year BTech student in Computer Science and Engineering from Heritage Institute of Technology. Now, I would like to answer the questions as provided. Moving on with the questions. First question. Yes, I have strong front-end development skills, particularly in building responsive and user-friendly web interfaces. While I may not have formal experience as a business analyst, my development background allows me to understand user needs, translate business requirements into functional UI, and communicate effectively with technical teams. Second question. If I really enjoy the work, I can easily focus for 6 to 8 hours at a stretch in a week. I can dedicate up to 50 to 60 hours if needed, especially when I am deeply involved in an interesting or meaningful project. Third question. I enjoy coding and exploring new web technologies. Apart from that, I love watching documentaries, reading about tech innovations, and occasionally playing strategy based games or watching football. Fourth question. For me, success means consistent learning, delivering quality work that makes an impact, and growing into a role where I can contribute to large business goals while staying aligned with my personal values. Fifth question. My ideal weekday starts with planning and prioritizing tasks. I spend the first few hours tackling the most demanding work, usually coding or problem solving. I take short breaks to stay refreshed. Afternoons are for collaboration, meetings, feedback sessions, and review work. Evenings are for learning, either brushing up on new front end trends or exploring related skills. I also try to reflect on the day and plan for the next. I make sure to balance productivity with small pockets of relaxation to avoid burnout. Sixth question. I prefer a mix of relaxation and light learning, catching up on personal projects, watching tech videos or series, spending time with family, and recharging for the week ahead. Seventh question. I have often been appreciated for my problem solving mindset and calm attitude under pressure. During a college project, our front end module had several bugs close to the deadline. My teammate appreciated how I systematically resolved them and stayed composed, which helped us finish on time with a functional demo. Question. I used to hesitate in asking for help, trying to solve everything on my own. My mentor during an internship pointed this out, explaining that collaboration and timely communication are as important as individual effort. Since then, I have consciously worked on becoming more open to discussions and feedback. Ninth question. My family consists of three members. My father is a government employee working in the administrative sector, handling logistics and procurement. My mother is a homemaker who manages the household and provides constant support. We are a close knit family, and their support has always been a driving force in my career. 10th question. Binary Fox is a custom software development company that started in 2012. It specializes in building high quality, scalable, and secure software products for global clients, particularly in the USA, Europe, Australia, and the Middle East. They serve startups and enterprises focusing on SaaS platforms, digital transformations, and enterprise software. 11th question. I want to join Binary Fox because of its strong reputation in custom software development, international client base, and focus on quality. It's a great opportunity to work on diverse projects, grow my technical skills, and be part of a team that delivers meaningful digital solutions. 12th question. In 2 years, I see myself becoming a more confident and skilled front end developer, possibly taking on some cross functional responsibilities related to product design or requirement gathering to better align with business goals. 13th question. In 5 years, I aim to grow into a tech lead or full stack developer role with a strong understanding of both user experience and business requirements. I also hope to contribute strategically to project planning and architecture. 14th question. In 10 years, I see myself in senior leadership position, perhaps heading a product or engineering team where I can mentor others, influence technology direction, and play a key role in business decision making. 15th question. While both models have pros and cons, If I had to pick one, I would choose work from office. Work from office promotes better collaboration, instant communication, and builds stronger team bonding, which is especially valuable in early stages of a career. It also creates a professional environment that boosts focus and learning through in person mentorship. However, I do understand and respect the flexibility that work from home provides for others. 16th question. I would choose Kolkata as my dream city. It's my hometown and being close to family is important to me. The city offers a great balance of culture, cost of living, and comfort. I am emotionally connected to the place, and that grounding gives me the mental peace and motivation to focus better on my work. Plus, with the tech ecosystem slowly growing here, I can stay connected professionally as well. 17th question, part 1. The main purpose of Product A is to streamline internal team collaboration, task tracking, and performance analytics for organizations by offering an integrated SaaS solution. It helps companies manage projects, allocate tasks, track progress, and generate insights all from a centralized dashboard. 17 question, part 2. The unique selling proposition USP of Product A is its configurable role-based dashboards and intelligent performance reporting system. Unlike traditional tools, it offers custom views for different user roles, admin, manager, employee, and automated feedback suggestions, enhancing team productivity and decision making. 17 question, part 3. The key features of the Product A are user role management for role based access for admin, company admin, team leader, and employee. Tasks and project management to create, assign, and monitor tasks. Team collaboration tools for real time comment threads. Performance analytics for daily, weekly, or monthly employee performance report. Activity logs and history for transparent activity records or time spent on task. Company customization options for company specific branding, custom fields and workflows, and access controls and security settings. Email and calendar integration to sync tasks with Google Calendar, email notifications and updates. Feedback loop and suggestion for automated feedback for employees and suggestion for productivity improvements. 17 question, part 4. The step-by-step user journey of the super admin of this Product A are: login using secure credential or SSO, create an organization profile with branding and custom settings, set up user roles admin, manager, employee, add modules or features relevant to their organization, tasks, analytics, and collaboration, manage permissions for all roles, monitor usage across organization from the super admin dashboard, analyze performance data across companies if it is multi-tenant system, configure billing, subscription, and plans, handle support tickets or feedback coming from company admins, monitor system health and logs via backend reports, update or deactivate organizations if needed. 17 question, part 5. The step-by-step user journey of the subscribing company's admin of this Product A are: sign up for the SaaS platform, create a company profile, logo, name, time zone, etc., invite team members and assign team roles, manager and employee, create departments or teams and associate users, set up workflows and task templates, monitor project progress via admin dashboard, generate reports on team or department performance, view notifications, handle escalations, modify access as employees join or leave, submit feedback or request to super admin, handle internal support request or troubleshoot with team leaders, manage subscription plan, upgrade, downgrade or billing. 19 question, part 6. The step-by-step user journey of the end user of this Product A are: receive invite from admin and login, view dashboard with assigned task, start task and update progress, add comments, attachments or tag team members, mark tasks as complete or submit for review, track personal performance via the performance tab, receive notifications or reminders about deadlines, submit feedback or clarification to managers, view weekly reports or suggestions, engage in real-time chats if enabled, log out or switch devices, work resumes from cloud sync. 18th question, part 1. Radical concept, client-centric transformation stories. Instead of a traditional corporate overview, the ad card focus on transformative stories of the clients who have benefited from binary fog services. Each segment could showcase the challenge by briefly outlining the client's initial problem or need, the solution by describing how binary fog's custom software addressed the issue, the impact by highlighting measurable outcomes such as increased efficiency or revenue growth. This narrative approach personalizes the company's impact, making it relatable and demonstrating real world value. 18th question, part 2. Observation: the current video effectively outlines binary fog services and USPs but may lack emotional engagement. The suggestion for B would be incorporate storytelling elements that resonate with viewers, such as client testimonials for short clips of clients sharing their positive experience, visual case studies, before and after scenarios demonstrating the software's impact, team introductions, brief segment introducing key team members to humanize the brand. These additions can enhance viewer connection and trust. 18th question, part 3. I recommend the following general improvements for the video. Timestamp 30 seconds to 45 seconds. If this section lists services, consider adding dynamic icons or animation to visually represent each service, making the information more digestible. Timestamp 1 minute 15 seconds to 1 minute 30 seconds. During the discussion of USPs, overlay key statistics, example 94% repeat clients with bold typography to emphasize credibility. Timestamp 2 minutes to 2 minutes 15 seconds. If team expertise is mentioned, include brief clips or images of team members at work to add authenticity. Implementing this enhancement can make the video more engaging and informative. 19th question, part 1. If we are asked to design an outbound campaign, the outreach medium we will use are LinkedIn outreach, ideal platform to reach C-level or D-level professional, cold emails, using tools like Apollo, Clearbit or Hunter to find verified emails, niche B2B communities, stack groups, tech forums and executive communities, low-cost webinars or online panels featuring CTOs or CEOs. The type of approach we'll use are account-based marketing, personalized and highly relevant messaging to specific companies, pain point-driven messaging rather than generic offering, focus on solving specific problems. Example, outdated legacy system or lack of automation. The content type would be case studies relevant to their industry, short value proposition, personalized demo video, thought leadership articles, ROI focused infographics. And the tones will be professional, consultative and empathetic, focused on value not features, respectful of their time with clear CTS. For example, opening LinkedIn Messenger. Question 19, part 2. If we are asked to design an inbound campaign, the outreach medium we will use are search engine optimized SEO blog post, LinkedIn content marketing, YouTube short explainer videos, Quora, Medium, Reddit for expert content. The type of approach we'll use are content funnel strategy, awareness, industry pinpoint blog post, consideration success stories and white papers, decision book or discovery call or product demo, lead magnets, free ebooks, ROI calculators, project scoping templates, retargeting ads for visitors who spend time on high intent pages. The content type would be long form blogs on digital transformation, downloadable PDFs and templates, customer testimonial videos, landing pages with clear CTS. The tones are insightful, authoritative, yet accessible, C-level friendly, less jargon, more business outcomes. Example, blog type. 19th question, part 3. Stage 1, 1 million to 5 lakh. Filter criteria: exclude companies with less than 10 employees, likely not investing in custom software. Source: Crunchbase, LinkedIn company size filter, D&V hovers. Stage 2, 5 lakh to 1 lakh. Filter criteria: target only companies in tech forward industries like healthcare, logistics, fintech and SaaS. Logic: these industries have higher demand for custom solutions. Tools: industry filters via LinkedIn Sales Navigator, Apollo or Zoom Info. Stage 3, 1 lakh to 10,000. Filter criteria: companies with recent founding, example series A to C or hiring software roles, signals growth. Source: Crunchbase for funding, LinkedIn jobs for hiring signals. Logic: funded and growing companies are more likely to invest in software. Stage 4, 10,000 to 1,000. Filter criteria: filter companies with recent digital transformation project or tech blogs. Signals: recent IT related press release, CTO or CIO listed on the team, website with modern tech stack. Check with build with or with Pelzer. Stage 5, 1000 to 200, a filter criteria, manual weighting of top 1000 companies based on specific use case alignment, recent project need, decision makers, openness to connection, LinkedIn response rate, or email reply. Final 200 selection, based on how closely their pain points align with Binary Frog strengths, prioritize those who are actively exploring vendors or consultants.